अस्सलामुअलैकुम माय डियर व्यूवर्स, मैं हूं आशिक हुसैन। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चंस 2021 में जो आए हैं अगस्त के अंदर। हाउ बिकेम हाउ हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन टू विन अ गोल्ड मेडल एट पैरालंपिक्स। उसका नाम क्या है? अवानी लकीरा। नेक्स्ट है जी, विच स्टेट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड द मेंटोरशिप प्रोग्राम डैश की मेंटोर। तो ये दिल्ली के अंदर लॉन्च हुआ था। नेक्स्ट है जी, नेम द बॉलीवुड एक्टर हु हैज़ बिन अपॉइंटेड एज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ द दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट मेंटोरशिप प्रोग्राम डैश की मेंटोर। उसका नेम है जी सोनू सूद। विच स्टेट हैज़ बिकम द सेकेंड वन आफ्टर कर्नाटका टू इम्प्लीमेंट द नेशनल इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी। तो माय डियर व्यूअर्स, इसके अंदर हमसे ये क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है कि कर्नाटका के बाद पहली कौन सी स्टेट है जिसने नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी जो है उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया था। तो उसका नाम है मध्य प्रदेश। विच यूनियन टेरिटरी हैज़ अप्रूव्ड द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ फिल्म पॉलिसी 2021 टू बिकम द ओवरऑल ग्रोथ ऑफ द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इन द यूटी। दैट वाज द जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। whose triple 1st birth anniversary was commemorated on August 26, 2021. That was Mother Teresa. What is the name of the India's operation to evacuate citizens from Afghanistan? That was Operation Devi Shakti. In which sporting event India's Sahili Singh won silver medal at the World Athletics U20 Championships? That was long jump. Name the senior BJP leader who passed away at the age of 89 years. He served twice as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. That was Kalyan Singh. Name the owner of D-Mart retail company who has entered world 100 richest people list recently with a net worth of $19.2 billion. That was Radhakishan Damani. Which Indian institute has developed India's first indigenous motorized wheelchair vehicle that can be used not only on roads but also on uneven terrains? That was IIT Madras. Name the Dronacharya Awardi and a coach who passed away on August 19th. He was the coach of legendary athlete P.T. Usha. That name was O.M. Nambiar. Who has been elected as the new president of Institute of Economic Growth IEG society, succeeding former Prime Minister Dr. Mohan Singh. That name was N.K. Singh. Name the Tokyo Olympics silver medalist who has been roped in by a German footwear and accessories major Adidas as the face of its Stay in Play campaign. That name was Mirabai Channu. The Reserve Bank of India, shortly RBI, has lifted partial ban against which bank and allow it to start issuing new credit cards again? Name was HDFC Bank. On which day Parsi New Year 2021 or Navroz 2021 was celebrated in India? तो ये 16 अगस्त को मना सेलिब्रेट किया गया था इंडिया के अंदर। इंडिया वाज साइंड ए $500 million loan with which financial institution to expand the metro rail network in Bengaluru. तो इंडिया ने ये एग्रीमेंट जो है एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक के साथ साइन किया था। व्हाट वाज द नेम फॉर इंडियाज 75th इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन 2021? उसका नेम है नेशन फर्स्ट Yeah, always first. Who is the first Indian para canoe athlete at Tokyo 2021 Paralympics? Prachi Yadav. Name the javelin thrower. How was India's flag bearer at Tokyo Paralympics opening ceremony? Tek Chand. India's first smoke tower has been inaugurated in which state? Delhi. Which vaccine maker has received approval to conduct phase 2 and 3 human clinical trial for its nasal COVID-19 vaccine BBV154? Bharat Biotech. Name India's cleanest city which has now been declared as the country's first water plus city under the Swachh Survekshan 2021. The name of that city was Indore. On which day First India Freedom Runs 2.0 was launched by the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Singh Thakur? उसका नंबर है 13 अगस्त को. Government of which state has decided to give 1% reservation in education and jobs to children orphaned due to COVID-19? तो उस स्टेट का नाम है महाराष्ट्र. Name India's star wrestler who has been temporarily banned by the Wrestling Federation of India for indiscipline during her Tokyo Olympics campaign. तो उसका नाम है जी विनेश पोगट. On which day the death anniversary of Khudiram Bose, the youngest freedom fighter, was observed across India? That name was 11 August. How much fund was allocated by the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for the Deep Ocean Mission to learn more about oceans, its biodiversity and impact of climate change? तो उसकी जो वर्थ है वो है 4077 करोड़. Which former Indian president birth anniversary was observed on 10th August? V.V. Giri. The government of which state has introduced a color-coded system to tackle COVID-19? उसका नाम है जी दिल्ली. The government of which state has recently renamed a landmark freedom movement event Khakuri Train Conspiracy as Khakuri Train Action while paying tributes to the revolutionaries who were hanged for robbing a train at Khakuri to buy weapons in 1925, Uttar Pradesh? In which year the Kakuri train robbery took place? August 1925. How many gold medals India won at the Tokyo Olympics 2021? How many medals India won at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? टोटल 7 है, जिनमें से एक गोल्ड है, 2 सिल्वर एंड 4 ब्रॉन्ज. What was the position of India at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? 48th है. In which event Neeraj Chopra won gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Javelin throw. Name the athlete who won silver medal in wrestling at Tokyo Olympics 2020. Ravi Kumar Davia. Name the athlete who won silver medal in wrestling woman at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Mirabai Channu. Who won bronze medal in badminton at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? PV Sindhu. Who became the first Indian female athlete to win two medals in the Olympic Games? PV Sindhu. Who won bronze medal in women's waterweight boxing at the Tokyo Olympics? Lolina Broguen. After how many years Indian hockey team won a medal in Olympics? 40 years. Which medal was won by the Indian hockey team at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? Bronze. Which medal was won by Bajrang Punia in wrestling 65 kg category? Bronze. In which state the Border Roads Organization has constructed India's world highest motorable road, breaking in the previous record that was held by Bolivia, Ladakh? What is the name of the new electronic voucher promoting digital payment solution that was launched recently by PM Narendra Modi It is a prepaid, cashless, and contactless instrument for digital payment. It works on the basis of QR code or SMS string based e voucher, which can be sent on the mobile of the beneficiaries. E rupee. Name India's highest sporting honor, which has now been rechristened to Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, which IIT launched India's first earthquake early warning mobile app for the Uttarakhand, which is seismically active and prone to earthquakes. IIT Roorkee. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier that has begun its maiden sea trials? INS Vikrant. Which city has become the first city in India to achieve 100% vaccination coverage against COVID 19? Bhubaneswar. Who has been appointed as the governor of Manipur, succeeding MS Najma Heptullah, who retired recently? La Ganeshan. What is the total number of districts in Chhattisgarh after the formation of four new districts? Mohalla Manpur, Shakti, Sarangad, Baligad, Bilaligarh, and Manindragarh, which was announced on 15 August 2021. 32. Name the chairman of Serum Institute of India who has been chosen to be honored with the Lokomanaya Tilak National Award 2021.